As we venture into 2023, I want to take up a burning issue where new local Premier League team, Chapelton Maroons, are being forced to exclude the majority of the young schoolboy players that helped them to qualify for the Premier League from playing in the league itself. As per the rules of the JFF, no more than 5 of Chapelton Maroons' 14 or 15 amateur players can play in this so-called professional Jamaica Premier League because limited amateurs are allowed. Now, this for me is a bad rule for the development of Jamaican football. We don't have club academies and proper youth development programs. We have limited youth competitions and limited leagues, with the best avenue for development for our 18 and 19-year-olds continuing to be playing at the highest level of big man football in the country, which is the Premier League. Any rule that reduces that exposure is bad for Jamaican football. It might be good for English or German or French football, but not good for Jamaica's football. For years, the call has been more young players in the Premier League. Here comes a rule now, limiting young players in the league. This is not a Chapelton Maroon problem anymore. This is now a Jamaica football problem, and we need to fix it.